guys, good morning. Husband is driving, heading to pick up a load in just a few minutes. We're gonna be there. See ya! I saw a green light and they are done. That's the sign of finish. It's either unloading or loading the trailer. Meron lang kaming pupuntahan guys at bibili kami ng food.
Hi guys.
We're going back in the Chinese restaurant. Same Chinese place. And another again Chinese food order.
Yes, guys.
Since we stopped here, so why not? Our dinner food, pepper and onion beef and chow mein. Yeah, this is what we bought in Chinese restaurant. Hey guys, we had our dinner. I am walking to the store to wash my hands, brush my teeth, stuff like that. Using restroom. This is my routine every day. Do I have a coins? So that I can weigh myself. Oh my God, gabi na. Nakalabas ako gabi na. Yeah, we are now in. This is West Memphis, Tennessee. Oh no, this is West Memphis. This is West Memphis, Arkansas. Behind me, that's a fuel pump. That's the store at my back where I came from. This is my routine, guys. Get up in the morning, make coffee, preparing. My background noise. I hope you understand that because I'm surrounded by all of this engine noisy. And I think I'm gonna end this vlog for tonight. See ya guys. See ya next time. Bye bye.